Welcome to Tech Packs. In today's tutorial, we'll create a motion-activated light control system using an Arduino, a PIR sensor, and a relay driven with a PNP transistor to switch the relay. The relay will switch the bulb on or off based on motion detected by the PIR sensor, and the status will be displayed on an I2C LCD. Let's get started. Open Tinkercad and access your previously saved circuit where the I2C LCD is already connected. In the Components panel, search for PIR sensor. Add the PIR sensor to your Tinkercad design and place it near the Arduino. VCC pin. Connect the VCC pin of the PIR sensor to the 5 volts pin on the Arduino. GND pin. Connect the GND pin of the PIR sensor to a GND pin on the Arduino. Out pin. Connect the out pin of the PIR sensor to pin 2 on the Arduino. In the Components panel, search for a PNP transistor and a relay. Transistor base. Connect the base of the PNP transistor to pin 7 on the Arduino through a resistor, typically 1 kOhms. Transistor emitter. Connect the emitter of the PNP transistor to the 5 volts pin on the Arduino. Transistor collector. Connect the collector of the PNP transistor to one end of the relay coil. Relay coil. Connect the other end of the relay coil to GND on the Arduino. Connecting the bulb via relay. No. Normally open. Pin. Connect the no pin of the relay to the positive terminal of the bulb. Common pin. Connect the COM pin of the relay to the positive terminal of your battery for the bulb. The negative terminal of the battery and the bulb should be connected to complete the circuit. Now, the PIR sensor will detect motion, and the relay will control the bulb based on the sensor's output. We'll now write the code that controls the relay based on the PIR sensor's input and displays the bulb's status, on-off, on the I2C LCD. Let me explain the code step by step. 1. Libraries and LCD setup. We use the Adafruit liquid crystal library to control the I2C LCD. The LCD is initialized to a 16:2 configuration with the initial message bulb status off displayed. 2. Pin setup. PIR sensor pin. Pin 2. The PIR sensor is connected to pin 2 of the Arduino. It will detect motion and output a high signal when motion is detected. Relay pin, pin 7. The relay, controlling the bulb, is connected to pin 7 of the Arduino. When the PIR detects motion, the relay is activated to turn the bulb on. Main loop. The PIR sensor reads the motion status continuously. If motion is detected, PIR status equals high, the relay turns on, and the LCD displays on to indicate the bulb is on. If no motion is detected, the relay turns off, and the LCD displays off to show that the bulb is off. Simulating the circuit in Tinkercad. Once the wiring and code are complete, simulate the project in Tinkercad. Click Start Simulation in the top right corner of the Tinkercad workspace. Testing the PIR sensor. Move your hand in front of the PIR sensor to simulate motion. When the PIR detects motion, the relay will turn the bulb on, and the LCD will display on. If there is no motion, the relay will turn off, and the LCD will display off. Before starting, if you're facing any issues, try these troubleshooting tips. 1. Double-check the wiring. Ensure the VCC, GND, trig, and echo pins are correctly connected to the Arduino and sensor. Verify that the relay and bulb connections are correct. 2. Check the code. Look for any missing semicolons, typos, or incorrect pin numbers. Ensure that the relay logic, low to turn on and high to turn off, is correctly implemented. 3. Simulation issues. If the PIR sensor or relay doesn't respond, restart the simulation in Tinkercad and verify all connections and code are correct. Congratulations! You've successfully built a motion-activated light control system using an Arduino, PIR sensor, and relay. The LCD displays the bulb's status based on the motion detected by the PIR sensor. You can get the code and Tinkercad design of this project in your training program. In the next video, we'll cover the real-time hardware implementation of this project.